Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by inspecting where the door is tilting. Look at hinge screw tightness, reveal gaps top and bottom, and check the threshold. Remove trim only if needed, then support the door with a prop or jack so it won't sag while you work. Once stable, loosen hinge screws just enough to allow movement and test lifting or lowering the door slightly. Use the prop to hold the adjusted position. This gives you room to tighten or change screws without the door shifting. Now you correct alignment by addressing the hinges themselves. First, replace any short or stripped screws with longer ones that anchor into the jamb framing. That restores solid support. If the door still leans, insert thin cardboard or plastic shims behind the hinge leaf to nudge the angle, one shim at a time. Once the hinges align, tighten screws evenly and test swinging. If the door still binds at one spot, remove the door and plane a small amount from the edge where it rubs. Finish by confirming smooth operation and correct latch engagement. Reinstall trim if removed, then check the strike plate. File or reposition it so the latch catches without force. Swing the door several times, making micro adjustments to screw tension or shim thickness until you see an even clearance, about 1/8 inch from top to bottom. If the door still sags after these steps, you may need to remove and rehang the door or repair the jamb.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.